Wow, isn't this beautiful to watch? This guy is so skilled, man. What do you think it is? Do you think it's a talent or he just learned how to use his senses? Wow. This guy is a human CCTV, man. How is he able to even get this done? Like, this is serious, man. Whoa, 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 whoa. Black men are talented, are gifted, man. This whole thing, I don't know, it's just blowing my mind right now. I'm just amazed seeing this. Let me know what you think in the comments. Is this black magic or you think it's just pure talent? Y'all let me know if you think it's juju or you think it's pure talent, because this guy's skill is so mind-blowing.